In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to version control your n8n workflows. Version control in n8n lets you capture clean snapshots of your automation as you go, so you can document what changed, publish stable checkpoints, and confidently roll back if something doesn't work as expected. Once you've finished a round of edits and you're happy with how your workflow runs, head to the top right of the editor and click Publish. This is your save point. A window will open where you can enter a version name and a description for this version. Keep the name short and meaningful, something like Email Parser v2 or a date-based tag, and use the description to summarize what you changed or why you published. Clear notes today make troubleshooting and collaboration much easier later. After you publish, keep building and testing as usual. As soon as you make further changes, you'll notice the Publish button gains a small yellow marker. That marker is your gentle reminder that the workflow has drifted from the last published state. Nothing is saved as a new version until you publish again, so when the changes are ready to lock in, click Publish once more, give this iteration a fresh version name, and add a concise description of what's new. Think of it as taking a snapshot every time your workflow reaches a stable milestone. At any point, you can review where you've been. To see the full history and the list of versions for the current workflow, click the clock icon at the top right. This opens the version timeline, where you'll find each published version along with the notes you wrote. It's a quick way to scan what changed and when. From here, you'll also see the versions you can revert to, which is especially helpful if a recent edit introduced an issue and you want to return to a known good state. Your notes and naming really pay off here, making it obvious which version you should go back to. That's the complete loop. Edit, publish with a clear name and description, watch for the yellow marker as you continue working, publish again to capture the next stable point, and use the clock icon to browse your history and revert if needed. And there you go. Simple, reliable version control for your n8n workflows. That's all.